Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to round numbers in Google Sheets. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So first step in order to round your numbers is to select the cell where you want to round your number. Then type equals and round. Type brackets and place cursor into your brackets and now select the value of your number. So in my case it is C2. For you it might be different. Now press enter and right now, as you can see, this number is rounded up to 8. You can drag it down like this to apply this effect for every single number next to it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.